working. Gotta remove the radiator support, these two fans, drain the radiator liquid. Hopefully I don't have to take off the bumper, but we'll see. Let's replace the belt. Checking out these nuts. A little bit different than stock ones looks like, but it's 1, 2. There isn't one there. There isn't one there. Solid. So there's the problem right there. The alternator missing a bolt, which probably caused the belt to shake and get torn up. Yeah, guys, what's going on here? Yeah, there you go. So probably that freaking missing bolt. And all the other pulleys look like they're okay. Just gotta adjust this properly. And that's how you route a new belt. Fucking everything's back in reverse. Whew. And that's all the cookie crumbles. Did I take anything from the top? I don't know if I remember taking off the front. Yeah. Do it again. Rev it a little bit. Rev it a little bit.